Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of advanced oral care with the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9000HX 9911/27 Sonic Toothbrush. This innovative toothbrush offers gentle yet effective cleaning, thanks to its Sonicare sound technology that delivers an impressive 62,000 brush head movements per minute, ensuring up to 10 times more plaque removal compared to a manual toothbrush. With its C3 premium plaque control brush head, it's designed to meet all your dental hygiene needs. The toothbrush features 4 versatile cleaning programs: Clean, White, GumCare, and Deep Clean, each with 3 intensity settings, allowing you to customize your brushing experience. Charging is a breeze with the iconic home charger glass and a convenient USB travel charger case, making it perfect for those on the go. Plus, with a battery life of approximately 2 weeks, it's always ready when you are. Elevate your oral care routine with the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9000 and experience the difference in your smile. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.